Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you already haven't, like this video and subscribe. But did you guys know that more than 50% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel? So what are you guys doing? Subscribe to the channel and like this video. But today we are going to be DIYing dollar store products that my sister chose for me at the dollar store. So let's introduce these items. The only thing I know about these items are that they're really weird and like you wouldn't really use them for items. But we're only allowed to use to help us. This is like a glue, a cement contact thing that my dad has. Scissors and a hot glue gun that is warming up over there as we speak. So our first item is a glitter hat. This is going to be weird to use and incorporate into my design. Our second item is a flower fabric. This is going to be a really weird DIY. Our third item we have is pom-poms. Our fourth item is mesh tubing. This is, I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but all the items have to be incorporated into this. Oh, I think that was our last item. So these are our items that we have. 3 and 4. Let me see if I'm forgetting anything. Yeah, I'm not forgetting anything. That's strange. I thought there was 5. We're using these 4 items right here. These are 4 items we are using. So let's So far, this is my progress. I'm thinking of making like a backpack with the mesh thingies, and like putting it on my beautiful back. Or this is also great too. But sorry, I'm gonna post this video on Monday, and because of Mother's Day was on Sunday, I wanted to enjoy my time with my family, and so if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel and like this video so this comes out good. So far it's coming out good, but subscribe. Let's keep going and finishing my beautiful, ugly DIY. The backpack part of my backpack, but now I'm gonna decorate this part of the hat so it has more decoration on, because this is just a hat. So let's This, I just finished this. I just finished kind of modeling it. I don't know. I just tried to show it to you guys. I used all the things we need to use, like the mesh bag thingy and all that. If you made it this far in the video, like the video. So I'll see you next week. And I might change my schedule to 3 days a week. No, every 3 days. Yeah. Subscribe and like the video. See you next time.